sauce in the middle so that there's a salty flavor throughout the hamburger that just, makes it taste flavorful all through the hamburger. And then, of course, keep those link sausages on hand for those days that you just want to do nothing and eat link sausages. Of course, some of you have kids, you may wanna add hot dogs and some of the other things, but these are things that don't have all these chemicals, doesn't have sugar. You can still make your spaghetti using either pasta or your cauliflower rice or whatever you use in place of noodles. There's so many great recipes out there that you can use the pre-cooked chicken, pre-cooked ground beef, the pulled pork, the ribs, all of that pre-cooked, stuck in your freezer, and you get to eat. Now, here is the meat. All you have to do is cook that meat to restock. Whatever's running out is all you have to cook. Same with I use Sam's Club to buy my groceries. So if I run out of shredded cheese, I'll buy a whole bag of shredded cheese, divide it out in my freezer